Everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ikama Dewi Guna, NPM 24411047. Now I will explain about concept, meaning, and models leadership. The essence of leadership, concept, meaning, and models. Leadership is not a destination; it's like continuous journey of influence, integrity, and version. This presentation explore the foundational concept, philosophical roots, evolving theories, and modern models that define what it truly means to lead. What is leadership? Beyond a title, leadership is a universal process of influencing others to achieve a common goal. It transcends formal authority. It is a moral and intellectual endeavor rooted in justice, responsibility, and integrity. At its core, leadership is about guiding, motivating, and empowering individuals or groups toward shared objective, whatever in business, community, or society at large. Key dimension influence, shaping attitudes and behavior without coercion, motivation, igniting passion and commitment toward a shared purpose, guidance, providing direction, clarity, and support to followers. The foundation, philosophical roots of leadership. Effective leadership is not a modern invention. It draws upon countries of philosophical wisdom that emphasize ethics, virtue, and the greater good, justice, fairness, and equity in decision making from the bedrock of trustworthy leadership. Leaders must ensure that every action upholds the dignity of those they serve. Responsibility. Leaders are stewards of their teams and organization, accountability for outcomes, but success and failures define matters leadership. Integrity, consistency between two words and action builds credibility. Ancient thinkers like Aristotle and Confucius agreed that virtue is the foundation of effective leadership. Strategic vision. Philosophical wisdom must be paired with thinking strategy, leaders synthesis, ethical awareness with the ability to anticipate and shape the failure. Evolving theories from threats to transformation. Leadership theory has evolved dramatically over the past century, shifting from a focus on innate qualities to dynamic, context-sensitive approach. Threat theory. Threat theory. Early 20th century focused on identifying inherent qualities of great leaders: intelligence, charisma, and confidence. Assuming leaders are born, not made. 2. Behavior theory. Mid-20th century shifting attention to observable action and styles. Leadership could be learned through specific behaviors like task orientation and people orientation. 3. Situational theory. Purpose that effective leadership depends on adapting to context and follower ideas. No single style fits all situations. 4. Transformational leadership present focus on inspiring followers to exceed expectation, fostering innovation, and driving continuous organizational change. Key leadership models in practice. Transformational leadership inspire profound change by connecting followers to a compelling vision. Transformational leaders motivate individuals to achieve extraordinary outcomes by appealing to higher order needs and values. Visionary leadership courage in a clear, future-oriented vision that guides the organization beyond current imitation. Visionary leaders articulate where the organization is headed and why it matters. Situational leadership, pragmatic, flexible approach that adjusts leadership style based on followers' readiness, competence, and task demand. Effective leaders diagnose the situation before acting. The interplay, transformational, visionary, and situational leadership. While each model has a distinct focus, they share undefined purpose, achieving organizational goals through collective effort and followers' commitment. Shared foundation, organizational goals. All three models are anchored in achieving shared objectives and collective success. Collaborative environment, they foster teamwork, clear role distribution, and mutual respect among members. Followers acceptance, effectiveness hinges on the willingness of followers to embrace direction and purpose. How they complement each other. Transformational leaders ignite passion and drive change. Visionary leaders chart the course and inspire belief in the destination. Situational leaders ensure the right approach is applied at the right moment. Together, they form a holistic leadership framework that is adaptive, inspiring, and result-oriented. The most effective leaders often blend elements from all three models, depending on context. The role of influence and motivation. There is no leadership without someone following conscience and personal. Leadership is fundamentally a relational process. A leader's effectiveness is not measured by their title, but by their ability to inspire, influence, and motivate others to act with purpose and commitment. Role modeling. Leaders set the standard through their own behavior, demonstrating the values and work ethic they expect from others. Emotional connection. Motivation is deeply personal. Effective leaders understand individual needs and connect work to meaningful purpose. Inspiring communication. Wordmaster leadership who communicate with clarity, passion, and authenticity unlock the full potential of their teams. Diverse perspective on leadership. Leadership transcends cultural and religious boundaries. Different traditions offer rich, complementary perspective on what it means to lead with purpose and morally authority. Spiritual leadership integrates spiritual values such as compassion, humanity, and service into organizational practice. Spiritual leaders foster a sense of meaning and interconnected in the workplace. Prophetic leadership embodies divine guidance and moral authority. Prophetic leaders are seen as stewards of a higher purpose, guiding communities with wisdom, justice, and unwavering ethical conviction. Al-Quran perspective: the Quran uses distinct terms to denote leadership, and Amri, the authority, is causes unique responsibilities toward justice and communal welfare. The modern leader, adaptability and ethic imperative. In an era of rapid digitalization and disruptive change, the modern leaders must be both strategically agile and ethically grounded. Anticipate change, proactively scan the environment for emerging trends, technologies, and disruption before they become crises. Adapt styles, embrace flexible leadership approach, respond to diverse team, remote work, and evolving organizational culture. Ethical compass, balance strategic ambition with a robust moral framework. Trust is the currency of modern leadership. Optional outcomes drive results that are not only profitable but also sustainable, equitable, and meaningful for all stakeholders. Key takeaway: leadership is not static. The most effective leaders continuously learn, adapt, and lead with both vision and values at the forefront.